Okay, this is another Lowe. This one's in Papillion where I showed the Valdosta. They replaced it this time. So there's Northbrook. There's a Slinger up there. Ormond, Lakeway, Calavar, Toledo, Colossus, Camden. There's a Bolts 3, Stokes 2. There's still Cypress Point and one of the notes of the Biller series. Centerville. What is this one called? I can't pronounce that. I don't know how to pronounce it. They got the Mayfield, Foxwood. Lansing. This is actually named after the city of Michigan. Wow. That Monroe. That thing. Curtin Rivers. This Fairbanks. Not talking about the one that has 6 blades. Broad Centerville. Linstead. Hunter. Oh yeah, Barstow. There's the Calera, Sailor Bay, never noticed, or Bronze. Yeah. Wait, that's not Coastal Creek. That I forgot what it was, but that's not Coastal Creek. Waveport, Merrimack 2 altitudes there. Yeah, they're altitude. Oakham, Landon, so Bradbury, Nat Slinger there, Kennewick, and then there's the Notice. No, wait, why do I keep it messing up? It's Coastal Creek. I just keep messing myself up. Otis, Sailor Bay, Centerville, Port Haven, Carlo, Beach Creek, Hunter Pickens, and all that. Look at all this. Alexander, and there's the Mason, you know, Arlington. Just lighting shit there. Yeah, that's just lighting shit there. And then there's a Sailor Bay, Centerville, and the Billers. Yeah, there's something over here, which I don't want to miss. Right there, Marina Cove, 2 Valdostas. That one's a remote one, and yeah, Gaskin. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bonus, here's a Valdosta. I can't get this one to go, so it's just gonna stay off. So yeah, thanks for watching.